Lovey! Oh! Are you at the beach?
And Tailor Sallee, and we're doing a drone and photo shoot at Upham Beach.
Hi guys, it's your girl Kayla, and I'm with...
Okay.
Micah.
Go through it.
I'm with Micah from Videographer Productions, and Tailor Sallee. We're up on beach with a drone and the weather's so weird in the summer.
The weather's so wrong.
Well, we're just gonna improvise. Mikhail's here with his DJI drone, and we're here at Upham Beach doing a drone shoot. He's getting it set up right now. Got a little copter pad.
Don't get me in trouble.
There's the little droney. Okay then. The birdie. Oh, I'm sorry. She's scared for her life. We got a drone down, drone down.
Drone down, drone down. Okay.
We're done with that.
That's so good. Look at that.
Yes.
Look.
Thank you guys for watching our behind the scenes of our Upham Beach photo shoot. Aww. Make sure you guys stop at my new upcycled bikini line at tailorsallee.com. Thank you. Make sure you're following and like this video as well.